Good morning, students. Today you can learn one drug for headache that is from Leguminosae family, especially headache with congestion is the keynote feature. That is remedy is Melilotus alba. So coming to the Melilotus alba, its common name is sweet clover and it belongs to family Leguminosae and the prover is boven. So it is a remedy for headache with congestion and this headache is relieved by hemorrhage. And also it is remedy for convulsions and also for constipation. So regarding head symptoms, great congestion to the head with pain and sense of fullness. Congestions relieved by hemorrhages with engorgement of blood vessels and face intense red. You have learned so many remedies having congestions and is relieved by hemorrhages, especially epistaxis in case of Bufordana, ferrum force, manganum, etc. Here also the congestion is relieved by hemorrhage. You have learned in case of belladonna also. Here there is violent congestive or nervous headache and epistaxis gives relief. It seems as if brain would burst through forehead. That much headache is there. Also there is swaying or undulating sensation in the brain. Nosebleed preceded by intense redness, flushing of face and throbbing of carotids similar to belladonna. Epistaxis gives general relief. So head symptoms of mellotus is there is much congestion with headache and sense of fullness, and this headache or the congestion is relieved by epistaxis. There is a face intense red and there is engorgement of the blood vessels, and also there is swaying or undulating sensation in the brain. So in general, epistaxis or the hemorrhage gives amelioration to the congestion and pain. Again, it is a remedy for convulsions. Here, convulsions of nervous children, especially during dentition, that is seen in belladonna also. In belladonna, there is with fever. The convulsions is with fever, whereas in case of McForce, there is convulsions in children without fever. And these convulsions also seen in case of infantile spasms, again for eclampsia and for epilepsy. Again, it is a remedy for constipation, which is very much difficult, painful. There is constriction in anus, throbbing, fullness, no desire until there is much accumulation, similar to alumina. And regarding the modalities, aggravation from approach of a storm, rainy, changeable weather during climatic, and from rapid walking, and aberration, bleeding from vinegar after profuse urine, from walking, from change of position, and in open air. So, Melilotus, the head symptoms are usually asked. So, study well the head symptoms. So, the head symptoms are there is much congestion, there is headache, there is sense of fullness. Remember, these symptoms, this congestion or the headache is ameliorated by hemorrhage. Especially headache is ameliorated by epistaxis. So, there is intense headache, that is with a swaying or undulating sensation is there, and seems as if the brain would burst through forehead. And this headache or the congestion is relieved by nosebleed. Also, there is associated feature as the flushing of face, throbbing of carotid. So, study the head symptoms. Congestion, sense of fullness, congestion relieved by hemorrhage, flushing of face, throbbing, carotids. So, for comparison, first about belladonna headache. Here also belladonna is also it is a remedy for congestion and also headache, as seen in case of Melilotus. But the headache is not relieved by lying down and relieved by sitting propped up. Again, glonoin, again a remedy for congestion with the sun headache. That is, sun headache means that headache comes and goes with the sun, increases and gets its maximum at noon. Next, sanguinuria. Again, there is congestion with dizziness and is relieved by quiet rest and dark room. And also pushing head deep into the pillow gives summation for headache. Next, amyl nitrosum has also, it is a remedy for congestive headache, especially hemicrania. But affected side looks pale. Ferrum force, again a remedy for headache. Here there is false plethora and easily flushing. Ferrum force is a first remedy for inflammation, and there is local congestion is marked. Similarly, in case of Ferromet also, congestion, headache prominent. Ferromet congestion to head in anemic persons and is relieved by pressure and open air. Lacus is also headache and congestion is there. In lacusis, there is rush of blood to head and there is bursting pain in temples, and more the side effect is left sided. And all the pains are relieved by menstrual flow. Again, natromore. There is red face with sun headache, especially left sided, and the headache is accompanied by perspiration. Opium also, red face marked, that is congestion. And there in opium, there is delirium with eyes wide open, puffed face. Sulfur, again, there is congestion, especially to single parts, and there is sensation of burning. Also, all discharges are very much acrid, so the orifices are all red in nature. Again, in acne, you have learned there is much congestion and also headache, especially from exposure to sun or a change in weather. It is a first remedy for inflammation, and there also in acne also the face looks flushed. Again, gelsemic, you have learned congestion and headache. In gelsemic, there is passive congestion of brain with dizziness, blurring of vision before headache, etc. Again, another remedy, Veratrum viridae. There is much congestion, or it is a remedy for apoplexy, and mainly base of the brain is affected in Veratrum viridae. Again, in Ailanthus, there is congestion. In Ailanthus, passive congestion of the head, and it is relieved by nosebleed. But there is want of inclination to think is the striking feature in Ailanthus. Whereas in case of Melilotus, the patient is mentally more active. So these are the remedy you have to learn for compare. So here in Melilotus alba, you learn the head symptoms of Melilotus, that is congestion to the head with pain, sense of fullness. The peculiar feature is that the congestion and the headache is relieved by hemorrhage, especially epistaxis. And during headache, there is swaying or undulating sensation in brain, and also feels brain would burst through forehead. This congestion and the headache is associated with flushing of face, throbbing of carotids. So study well the head symptom of Melilotus. Okay.